Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and let's jump right in. So last video we did the ground check and now I'm just cleaning up my move calculation. It looks nicer to me without the new vector 3 blah blah blah. I like seeing some simple multiplication. It's like multiplying our horizontal input by 1, 0, 0. That's exactly the same thing. Now, let's do something about our gravity. I'm going to create a void function called apply gravity. And there's a simple formula to apply gravity that I learned from Brackeys, who I hope is having a great time now he's away from YouTube. We just add gravity times time.delta time to our y velocity. And then, to make it apply, we use controller.move with our velocity times time.delta time. And we can also move the ground check from the update function to the gravity function. My main goal with this is to keep update as clean as possible. The big thing is, we don't want gravity constantly increasing if we're grounded, so we'll create an if statement. So if is grounded and our velocity is less than or equal to 0, then we'll make it equal to -2. Which should keep us on the ground and make sure we don't wind up floating by accident if the ground check hits too soon. Next, we'll pop the apply gravity in the update function. And let's make the jump function, which is pretty straightforward. If I push the jump button and is grounded, then we want to jump. So in order to jump, we need to make our y velocity a positive value. So we just set it equal to the square root of our jump height times -2 times our gravity. This will be positive because we're multiplying two negatives, the gravity and the -2. Alright, done with that. Let's test it out and it's not working. What's up with that? We can't jump. What's going on? Oh, I forgot to call jump in the late update function. Okay, and now back to testing. And there's gravity. And now when we push space, we jump. It's a little floaty. We just have to fine tune our ground distance. We need it small, so let's try 0.1. And there we go, some real falling. Real quick before we finish, I'm going to create a prefabs folder and save our player as a prefab to save our settings. And that's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out the next one where we'll handle the physics for our ball.